Hi friends, this is Manish Khanna. Easter's coming soon and I'm sure you all must be busy planning your menus for the Easter meal. Today I'm going to be showing you a super easy and a super yummy dessert which is the chocolate self-saucing pudding. You make everything in a bowl, just chuck it into the microwave and in 15 minutes you have the most scrumptious dessert. I'm sure everybody at the table would love it. So look no further and let's get started on doing this yummy treat. For the eggless self-saucing chocolate pudding, we are going to be needing milk, butter, vanilla essence, sugar, flour, baking powder, cocoa powder. I have brown sugar, I have milk chocolate which I have chopped up, and I have hot boiling water. This recipe is more or less a one bowl recipe. In a glass bowl, microwave safe bowl, I will take the butter, to which I will add the sugar and the milk, and I will microwave this till the butter has melted. The milk and the butter have melted in the oven. Now to this I will add the flour, the baking powder, the vanilla essence, and the cocoa powder that we have. I will put in just half of it. The other half we will use for the sauce on top. This we will mix up. As you can see, the batter is mixed well. You might have a little lumps, but just try and break them out with this spatula. Okay. Now the batter is ready. Just clean up the side of the bowl so that all the batter is down. Now to this, we are going to take the milk chocolate which we had, just spread it and just press it down. On this we will add the brown sugar and just sprinkle it all over. Just spread it evenly. Next is the balanced cocoa powder which was left. We will take this and put this on top. The last, we are going to put in the boiling water. Very gently put the boiling water only on top. Just put it gently. We do not have to mix it, we do not have to stir it. Just once you have put this, we will put it at 50% strength or medium microwave, and we will cook it in the microwave for about 10 to 13 minutes till it is done. In case if you don't want to do it in a microwave, you can put it into the oven at about 180 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes. The eggless self-saucing pudding is now ready to be served. We will, as you can see, the pudding is cooked and it has a nice sauce. And if you like, to get into the Easter cheer, just sprinkle some icing sugar on top and it is ready to be enjoyed.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकन ताकि हम लाते रहें आपके लिए सिंपल बेकिंग रेसिपीज।